After setting up the company, the operator license, having the vehicle, having the contract in place, we need to make sure that we run legally. So setting up compliance system for driver's hours, making sure that the drivers are going to be using tachographs, making sure that we check driving licenses, that the vehicle maintenance is up to scratch. So that means MOT, regular inspections, tachograph calibration, any additional equipment like tail lifts and lifting equipment that may be fitted onto the vehicle, that is inspected on the regular basis and it's safe to use, and we've got documents for it. That's absolutely crucial part, because we don't want to be starting to move the wheels where we are posing a risk on the road and potentially exposing the company to some enforcement actions from authorities. That's not a very good way to start. So obviously making sure that these things are in place are very important. Moving on, we need to set up our insurance. We need to set up our permissions to enter major cities, like stuff like congestion charging, making sure that the vehicles are registered for stuff like direct vision standard in London, making sure that the correct equipment is fitted for that. Absolutely important to do this. Obviously, our transport manager should be very proactive in helping with setting these things up. However, it needs to be completed nevertheless, because otherwise the company will start paying heavy fines from start rather than continuing to earn money. Vehicle maintenance compliance can be managed by fleet management software, making sure that your reminders, your planner is online and all the documents can be stored online as they arrive. Driver walk-around checks are absolutely crucial for compliance, and making sure that you can demonstrate that they have been completed and recorded is absolutely key to demonstrating good compliance standard. We can definitely recommend using Fleet Planner app for the walk-around checks and our fleet management software to meet this requirement.